Okay, so today I'm taking a look at the all-new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Now, since the day these things were announced, I never really knew how to feel about them. I mean, don't get me wrong, they look super cool, really nice, and very hip, but I just don't know how they would fit my ears because I have small ears. But either way, I'm looking forward to finding out. Let's go ahead and check it out. So these would normally cost about $170, but in my case, I actually got them for the promotional price of $45 because I was purchasing the all-new Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Oh, by the way, please do me a huge favor and hit both the like and the subscribe button. That's a tremendous help to the channel here, and I truly appreciate your support here. Now, the unboxing part of these buds is going to be very straightforward. It's a pretty simple and clean setup here. As you open the box, then you have the USB Type-C charging cable, and you also do have some extra ear tips here for people with different size ears so that you can adjust the buds to the different ear sizes. And finally, the charging case here, which contains the earbuds themselves. Now, the case has this glossy finish and it is wireless charging capable. And of course, you can also use the USB cable to charge it through this port right here. We do have a few light indicators here, one outside the case here and also one inside. Now, according to Samsung, you should be looking forward to between 6 and 21 hours of playtime, depending on whether you have active noise canceling feature turned on. And I also do have some feedback here that call quality is just amazing on this thing. These are the earbuds, and you can see they look, or should I say, they are shaped like jelly beans or beans. It is an intriguing design, at least to me, and they look really, really cool. And it's also a very good thing that they have the active noise canceling feature on these. So on this side of the earbuds, you have the magnets that would lock these to the case. Now, they don't really hold solid, but they're there. They're located at the top here. In the middle part here, we find the ear sensors, and the actual speakers are located at the bottom that you see here. Even though I don't know what to think of them really as of now, I still like it because they are just kind of weird looking. I like that about technology. I like when tech companies actually try things that are weird and just kind of out of the ordinary. It certainly is a different form factor, and I really hope that they will fit me well. Now, they're said to be one size fits all, but I've heard that people with smaller ears actually find them a lot more comfortable, and they tend to stick to those ears a lot better. And I just happen to have small ears, so that's a good thing for me. Okay, so let me go ahead and try. Now, unlike what I was thinking, these actually fit extremely well. I guess they kind of confirm what people have been saying. So people with smaller ears would actually have these fit them more comfortably than they would in people with larger ears. They really seem to be sitting there with no issues. However, just by the feel of it, it seems like if I'm doing intense exercising, let's say if I'm doing like plyometrics or something, I may have to go in there every now and then to just kind of readjust them. They won't completely fall out of my ears, but they just feel like they're kind of moving slowly as I move a lot. So if I'm doing plyo, I definitely feel like I would have to go in there and just kind of readjust. Now, given the fact that these are actually IPS2 rated, maybe they weren't really built for high intensity exercising, you know, with the fact that they're not highly sweat resistant. So I will have to keep them away from anything liquid or water. They are pretty easy to connect, a little like it is the case with the Galaxy Buds Plus. You just open the case and your phone will detect it automatically and you can connect. Then you can go to the Wearable Connect app in order to manage the earbuds. And the first time around, you will have a tutorial showing you how to properly use it in the app on your phone, in addition to the touch control features, like one tap will play or pause the audio, double tap to go forward or answer a phone call or hang up, triple tap for previous track. And you get to manage all of these controls, including on the actual earphones. You get many other things in the app here, including playing with the equalizer, the type of sound, anywhere from normal to soft, or even to go ahead and boost some of that treble. The battery percentage, active noise canceling, the toggle button, voice command, and much more. As far as build quality and sound quality, the build quality definitely is kind of on the premium side, given also the price here, but when you touch it, it feels a little bit premium, and the sound also is very good. I've noticed that the highs, at least the couple of songs that I've tested, the highs are pretty clean, actually, very crisp, and at the same time, you have the bass still kind of pumping, not crazy, but it's definitely there. I think the harder you push it in your ears, the harder that bass seems to hit. Now, for my first impressions, I think I could really get used to these. I very much like them, especially because they fit my ears so well. I'm not an audiophile, but I would definitely recommend them just because they look cool and they sound really nice. It's not necessarily that I'm recommending it because they are the best out there. I'm sure at that price range, you can definitely find something that can compete. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, of course. I'm gonna catch you in the comment section. I'm also gonna catch you in the next video, and up until then, stay safe out there.